actually preferred the blue one you showed earlier.
Okay, the car is super fast, Mr. Squirrel. You're doing great. I know, look at it zoom. I told you to go play over by the edge of the field. These cars are mine.
We understand. We're leaving now.
Look at this flyer. It's the park scavenger hunt. We should definitely team up and try to win the prize. Perfect. Let's go find those clues.
This flyer is wonderful. It reminds me we have a special display set up just around the corner. Come, let me show you where the new puzzles are.
Look at the red one and the blue one over there. We want both.
Those are wonderful choices. Let me get them for you. This blue car right here. It's the fastest one in the shop, but the wheels are a bit delicate, so you must be gentle when you play with it.
This is a lovely choice. Let me just check the price for you. It looks like it's $20.
I have something for you. It's a mystery gift.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Look what I have for you two. Are you excited to open them?
Wow, look at these. I am so happy you like them, little ones. Wow, look at the cars. They're amazing. Look what I found. It's golden. Wow.
A real golden ticket.
We did it. We found the golden ticket. Look what I have, everyone. We're going to the amusement park. Yay, I can't wait. Yay, an amusement park. I can't wait for the rides. Look out below! Splashdown! That was so much fun! Are we really going to eat the snacks now? Hehehehe